Imagine stepping right into a Dutch postcard. You know, one of those unbelievably pretty scenes where the wind seems to whisper stories from way back when. But what if that picture-perfect village, with its famous windmills and cute green houses, was more than just something lovely to look at? What if it was the actual beating heart of Dutch history, a place where traditions aren't just dusty memories, but are happening right before your very eyes? Well, today, we're not just looking at pictures. We're stepping right into that reality. Welcome to Zaanse Schans, an open-air museum and real working village just 20 minutes north of Amsterdam, where you don't just see Dutch history, you step right into it. This isn't your typical museum with glass cases and velvet ropes. Here, cobblestone paths lead you past wooden houses, the creak of windmill sails fills the air, and the smell of cocoa and fresh-baked cookies drifts through the breeze. In the 18th century, this region was one of the world's first industrial hubs, with over 600 windmills powering sawmills, oil presses, paint grinders, and more. Today, a handful still spin proudly, and you can go inside to see them in action. From tasting world-famous Dutch cheese to watching clogs carved by hand, Zaanse Schans is a true postcard of the Netherlands, alive with tradition, craftsmanship, and unforgettable charm. So, where exactly is Zaanse Schans? You'll find it in the town of Zaandam, in the province of North Holland, just a short trip from Amsterdam. Getting there is easy. Just hop on a direct train from Amsterdam Central Station to Zaandijk Zaanse Schans. It takes only 17 minutes, and from the station, it's a quick 10-minute walk to the village. Now, when's the best time to visit? Try early mornings in spring or autumn. That's when the light is golden, the air is crisp, the windmills are often turning, and the crowds are still asleep. And if you can, pick a weekday. It's quieter, and you'll have more space to explore. Whether you're drawn by the history, the views, or just a peaceful escape from the city, Zaanse Schans is Dutch heritage at its best. Come for the windmills, and stay for the stories. So to conclude, Zaanse Schans is so much more than just a pretty collection of old buildings. It's a rich story of Dutch history, cleverness, and culture, all set in a stunningly beautiful place. From the mighty turning of the windmill sails to the careful art of cheese making and the solid craftsmanship of clogs, everything here tells you something about the Netherlands' amazing past and its lasting traditions. It's a place where you can genuinely feel like you've stepped back in time and experienced the charm and hard-working spirit that built a nation. So, if you're planning a trip to the Netherlands, you absolutely have to put Zaanse Schans high on your list. It's an unforgettable trip into the heart of Dutch heritage. What part of this Dutch wonderland are you most excited to explore? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this little virtual tour, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures, and share it with anyone else you know who loves to explore. Until next time, happy travels!